Yes,
Good morning, everyone. Now, I have a speech that wasn't written by me as a writer. So, if it not sound good, blame Carla. All right. Why? All right. Now, I want to say, first of all, need you guys to get ready to step into the future with me. Because you know, New Year's Eve, we're going into 2025, you know what I mean? And we're going to party together. So it's an experience. This New Year's Eve will be magical. So the gates open at 4 p.m. All the bars, the food vendors will be ready for you. The DJs will be juggling and holding a vibe with you from start to finish. You know, I'm going to like this. But what I'm going to say is that it's going to be amazing. The king of dancehall, Spice will be there as the queen, Skinny Bang as the prince, my two sons, Little Vybz, Little Addy, plus we have a lot of cameo appearances, Family, Sheba, Popcorn, you name it. They'll all be there. So we want everybody to come out from Shirley and support the event. It's something that even the weather can't prevent. So we need everybody to be there. It's going to be an amazing. You know, Joe? Spend a lot of... Good morning, everyone. So it's an experience. This New Year's Eve will be magical. So the gates open at 4 p.m. All the bars, the food vendors will be ready for you. The DJs will be juggling and holding a vibe with you from start to finish. You know, I'm going to like this. But what I'm going to say is that it's going to be amazing. The king of dancehall, Spice will be there as the queen, Skinny Bang as the prince, my two sons, Little Vybz, Little Addy, plus we have a lot of cameo appearances, Family, Sheba, Popcorn, you name it. They'll all be there. So we want everybody to come out from Shirley and support the event. It's something that even the weather can't prevent. So we need everybody to be there. It's going to be an amazing. You know, Joe? Spend a lot of time and effort into the events, right? So it's going to be amazing. So any questions, ask me now and make me go on.
Anybody else want to give it a try? Anybody else want to give it a try? 2 more want to go. Alright, that's a good one.
Me no like him.
No.
He's not dancehall,
Alright.
so he know about that thing.
Say. Alright, leave him alone.
You know too much.
Too much. So take the mic from me, you understand?
Yeah.
So this time I want to open the floor to give you an opportunity to ask all the brilliant
Prizes. Alongside prizes.
Vybz Kartel and friends in concert. Absolutely. I see a hand over here. You want to come over? Come up front.
Good morning, everyone.
Yes.
So earlier, Vybz Kartel, you mentioned Sheba and some other members of the Gaza.
Yes.
Will this be like a Gaza reunion because persons are expecting that?
I mean, you could say that. You could say that because a lot of them are going to pass through. But I want the people to know this. It's a Vybz Kartel event. So we run out, we DJ some song, the favorite songs by me and my what do we call it? The usual suspects, they will be there. So you can expect the Sheba, expect the Family, expect the Popcorn, expect everyone that you know and love through Vybz Kartel and through Portmore Empire. Entire. Yes.
All right, we are live on TikTok. And the world.
The room is out.
Yes.
We're looking at other possibilities for merch. What other merch we're looking at?
Definitely.
Coloring books.
Yes. But definitely we have the t-shirts, we have the jeans, we have the cups. So all the ladies that love to go to the gym will have the cups, the Down Songs cup, the Vybz Kartel cups. So you can take it to the office, you drink your coffee in it. If you're at the party, you drink your straight vibes rum in it. If you're at the kin, you drink your protein shake. So the merchandise will be up and it's high quality. And big up Justin from Trinidad because he's one of the persons that's representing. He made the website, which is Vybz Kartel World, which is also where you want to get tickets. Vybz Kartel World. Go on that website.
So the
straight vibes in another hand. What one?
Oh, the light
That is it.
All right. As we go.
percent for 50% off for the bleachers. Weird, right? But funny because it's true. So Black Friday, remember this, Vybz Kartel for the Gaza fans then. I will represent for poor people as well. You understand? Exactly. We are across all demographic, but I have to represent for poor people. So 50% off on Black Friday for bleachers. Get it? No? Bleachers. The teachers. Yeah. Yes.